is up, you guys? If you're new here, hi, my name is Angel and welcome to my channel. First off, I want to greet each and every one of you a Happy New Year! I know it's a little late. New Year has long passed 2 weeks ago, but still, I want to show you guys what I got for New Year's Eve. I love each and every one of these items kasi lahat to bigay ng family and relatives ko, but I do have some favorites. Let's start with my pinaka-favorite. This was given to me by Kuya Ren, and it is this book by Renee Ahdieh called Flame in the Mist. She also wrote my #1 favorite book called The Wrath and the Dawn, and I'm so excited if this will top off my #1 favorite book. This is the story of a 17-year-old girl called Mariko, and she is a daughter of a samurai, and she also has a twin brother called Kenshin. So, I don't know if this is related to Samurai X, but if it is, then that's gonna be a twist. So, ngayon ko na napansin, guys, parang overexposed tayo dyan. Moving on to hygiene favorite, I have here this Bath Origins Natural Hand Sanitizer in the scent Lavender. This was gifted to me by my cousin, Ate Grace, and what can I say? I love the spray of this bottle. When it comes to the spray of the bottle, napapansin ko talaga yon. And for this one, it comes off like a mist. So, very fine siya. Parang ganyan. Yan, nakita nyo ba? So, ganun yung effect ng spray. So, I really like it. Plus, it is lavender scented, which makes me feel relaxed. Yung parang amoy ng mga spa. And also, it is natural. So, yung ingredients niya, lavender essential oil, distilled water, sugarcane alcohol, yun lang. So, for everyday use, I think this is really good for your skin. For skincare, Ate Hazel gave me this eye cream. And you know what? I had to search for its name. And it is the Nameraka Isoflavone Wrinkle Eye Cream. It says here in the website that it is fragrance-free, no color added, and has no mineral oil. Maraming magandang reviews na to. It is rated 4.5 or even some websites rated 5. So, I'm really excited to try this one out. And then, also from Ate Hazel, I have here this eyebrow pencil from Daiso. And eyebrow pencils from Daiso are hands down my favorite eyebrow pencils for the natural eyebrow look. It's not hard, it is not waxy, the color payoff is so natural, plus it already comes with a spoolie, so it's a win-win. Lastly, for beauty favorite, this was given to me by my cousin Ate Erica, and it is this Hypercurl mascara from Maybelline. You guys know that this is the only mascara that I ever use because it's affordable and it works. The next items are all from Tita Christine, and I have here 2 vests from G2000, and the other one, oh, it's in size 9, and the other one is in light brown, while the other one is in pastel pink. I'm definitely gonna wear this if I'm wearing my school uniform or if I'm going for that schoolgirl look, so I'm very happy that I got it in 2 colors. Tita Christine also gave me this makeup organizer from Mumuso, and I love makeup organizers like this, especially if I need to bring a lot of makeup. So for this one, meron na siyang lalagyan ng brushes. So pwede mo nang ipitin dyan yung brushes mo. And then meron din siyang pockets here. So if may small items ka, hindi ka na kailangan maghanap. What is this? Baka may pera dito. Wala. Pamaypay lang siya. Mainit eh. So, I like it because it's very handy and it's also so cute. Plus, it is organized for your brushes and it has small pockets here. Lastly, this was sent to me by Tango in Facebook and surprise nila ito pinadala sa akin. So, I'll count that as a New Year's gift. It is these pair of shoes. They have a lot of other designs and they also cater to a lot of other brands. So I'll just give their link down below. Alright guys, that is a wrap on the things that I received for New Year's. If you like that I shared these with you guys, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Akala nyo ending na, no? So, before we end this video, I would like to say thank you to the Blank Sensation for my lip tea in the shade